Welcome to our channel, Me and Animals. Animals are really lovely. Be kind to them. Let's go.
It's important to note that there is actually only one species of lion, Panthera leo. The term breed is typically used to describe varieties within a species that have distinct physical and behavioral characteristics due to selective breeding. Since lions are not typically selectively bred by humans, the term subspecies is more appropriate when referring to the different populations of lions that exist throughout their natural range. There are currently two recognized subspecies of a lion: the African lion, Panthera leo, and the Asiatic lion, Panthera leo persica. Both subspecies share many similarities in terms of physical appearance and behavior, but there are also some distinct differences. The African lion is the most well-known and widely distributed of the lion subspecies. They are found throughout much of sub-Saharan Africa and are known for their impressive size and impressive manes on male lions. African lions are apex predators, meaning they have no natural predators in the wild, and are known to hunt a wide variety of prey, including buffalo, zebras, and antelope. Lions are also social animals, typically living in groups known as prides that can consist of up to 30 individuals. Within the pride, female lions do most of the hunting while males protect the territory and offspring. The Asiatic lion is a slightly smaller subspecies than the African lion and is found only in a single population in India's Gir Forest National Park. The Asiatic lion has a distinct appearance compared to its African counterparts, with a smaller mane and a fold of skin along the belly that is unique to this subspecies. Like African lions, Asiatic lions are also apex predators that hunt a variety of prey. However, due to their limited geographic range and small population size, Asiatic lions are considered endangered and face many threats, including habitat loss and poaching. There are also a few other lion populations that have been proposed as distinct subspecies, but these designations are not widely recognized by the scientific community. For example, some experts suggest that the lion population in West Africa, Panthera leo senegalensis, is a separate subspecies from the African lion due to their smaller size and lack of manes. However, this classification is not universally accepted and more research is needed to determine the genetic differences between these lion populations. In summary, there are two recognized subspecies of a lion: the African lion and the Asiatic lion. These subspecies have some distinct physical and behavioral characteristics but are very similar in many ways. While there are some other populations of lions that have been proposed as distinct subspecies, these classifications are not widely accepted and more research is needed to determine their validity. African lions, like all big cats, reproduce sexually. Females reach sexual maturity at around 2 to 3 years of age, while males typically do not become sexually mature until they are 4 to 5 years old. During mating season, which typically occurs from November to January in the Southern Hemisphere and June to August in the Northern Hemisphere, males will compete with one another for the opportunity to mate with females. Once a male has established dominance and mated with a female, gestation typically lasts around 110 days. Female lions will give birth to litters of 1 to 6 cubs, with an average of 3. The cubs are born blind and helpless, and rely on their mother's milk for the first few months of their lives. After about 3 months, the cubs will start to venture out of the den and learn to hunt with their mother. They will stay with their mother for around 2 years before venturing out on their own. African lions are social animals and typically live in groups known as prides. Prides can consist of anywhere from a few individuals to as many as 30, and are typically made up of females and their offspring, as well as a few males. Within the pride, females are the primary hunters, while males defend the territory and protect the pride from outside threats. Male lions will also compete with one another for the opportunity to mate with females, and will often kill the offspring of other males in order to ensure their own genes are passed on. African lions are apex predators and are known to hunt a wide variety of prey, including buffalo, zebras, and antelope. They are capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves, and will often work together in groups to take down larger animals. Lions are also opportunistic feeders and will scavenge on carrion when the opportunity presents itself. In terms of habitat, African lions are found throughout much of sub-Saharan Africa, from the grasslands of the Serengeti to the savannas of South Africa. However, lion populations have declined dramatically in recent decades due to habitat loss, poaching, and conflict with humans. Conservation efforts are underway to protect remaining lion populations and their habitats, but the African lion remains listed as a vulnerable species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. The Asiatic lion is a subspecies of lion that is found only in a single population in the Gir Forest National Park in India. Like African lions, Asiatic lions reproduce sexually, with females reaching sexual maturity at around 3 to 4 years of age and males at around 4 to 5 years of age. During mating season, which typically occurs from September to November, males will compete with one another for the opportunity to mate with females. Once a male has established dominance and mates with a female, gestation typically lasts around 105 days. Female lions will give birth to litters of 1 to 4 cubs, with an average of 2. The cubs are born blind and helpless and rely on their mother's milk for the first few months of their lives. After about 3 months, the cubs will start to venture out of the den and learn to hunt with their mother. They will stay with their mother for around 2 years before venturing out on their own. Asiatic lions are also social animals and typically live in groups known as prides. Prides can consist of anywhere from a few individuals to as many as 18, and are typically made up of females and their offspring, as well as a few males. Within the pride, females are the primary hunters, while males defend the territory and protect the pride from outside threats. Unlike African lions, male Asiatic lions do not typically form coalitions with one another, and instead establish their own territories. This is likely due to the smaller population size and limited habitat available to the Asiatic lion. Asiatic lions are also known for their distinct appearance, with a smaller mane and a fold of skin along the belly that is unique to this subspecies. Asiatic lions are apex predators and are known to hunt a variety of prey, including deer, wild boar, and buffalo. They are also opportunistic feeders and will scavenge on carrion when the opportunity presents itself. Like African lions, Asiatic lions face many threats, including habitat loss and poaching, and are considered endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Efforts are underway to protect the remaining populations and their habitats, including the establishment of protected areas and breeding programs to increase population size and genetic diversity. The white lion is a rare color mutation of the African lion, Panthera leo, found primarily in the Timbabadi region of South Africa. The white coloration is caused by a genetic condition called leucism, which results in a partial loss of pigmentation. White lions are not albinos, as they still have some pigmentation in their eyes, skin, and hair. White lions are considered sacred by some African tribes, and have been revered for centuries. In the wild, they are very rare and are estimated to make up less than 1% of the lion population in the world. Because of their rarity, white lions are often considered a symbol of strength, courage, and power. White lions have the same physical characteristics as other lions, but are often slightly larger due to their unique genetics. They are also known for their striking appearance, with white fur and blue or gold eyes. In the wild, their white coloration can make them easier to spot by predators or prey, which can put them at a disadvantage. White lions are threatened by habitat loss, poaching, and trophy hunting. In recent years, there have been efforts to protect and conserve white lions and their habitat, including reintroduction programs in some areas. Today, white lions are considered a conservation priority, and efforts are being made to ensure their survival in the wild.
Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel, Me and Animals. See you in the next video.